Hello everyone, I am Chaitanya Khandwe, currently pursuing BTech in Cloud Technology and Information Security, third year. In this video, I will show you how to install and configure remote desktop services on Windows Server 2012 R2. So let's check our IP address. Right click on Network, open Network and Sharing Center, click on Change Adapter Settings, double click on Ethernet, double click on Details. So here's the IP address, that is 192.168.43.120 and the default gateway 43.1. So close all these tabs. Note that I am using Windows Server 2012 R2 as server and Windows 10 as client and Oracle VirtualBox for installing virtual machines. Let's start with the installation of RDS. Go to the dashboard, click on Add Roles and Features. Just click Next. Select role-based or feature-based installation. Click Next. It is the name and IP address and operating system. Next. Here we have to select remote desktop services as we want to install that. Click on Next. Here we just let it be default and click on Next. Again click on Next, and in here we have to select few of the role services, that is remote desktop licensing. When you click on that, it will ask you to add features. Just click on Add Features. The RD licensing manages the license required to connect to a remote desktop session host server or a virtual desktop. The session host enables a server to host remote apps, programs, or session-based desktops, and the web access. Web access enables users to access remote apps or desktop connection through a start menu or a web browser. Click on Next. Just click on Next. Let it be default and click on Next. Now finally, click here on Install. We have to restart to finish the installation. So now the services are being installed, and after that it will restart again. Now the Windows is configuring features. It will take some time, approx 4 to 5 minutes or less. Now insert keyboard Ctrl Alt plus Del. Log in into your account. Open Server Manager. Now under the tools, you will see some new additional features added, like these two, but we don't have to do anything over there right now. Let's create users so that we can log in from client computer. For that, click on Computer Management and click on Local Users and Group. Note that I haven't installed RDS or configured the server to domain controller. Click on the drop down for Local Users and Group. Click on Users. you will see the two users. Now we have to create new user. So right click on users, select new users, give it a name and the password, a standard password. Uncheck the user must change password at next login and select user can't change password and password never expired. I am selecting these options for my simplicity. Then just click create. Close. You will see the new user have been added. Now select the group. So in the group section, there is an option called remote desktop users. Double click on it. Click on add. Click on advanced. Click on find now. So I want the user Chaitanya to have full access. So select it. Click OK. Click OK. Click apply. Click OK. Now if you double click again, you can see the user Chaitanya have access to remote desktop. Now everything is done. So now we can connect to the server. Open the client, in this case that is Windows 10. Let's see our IP address first. Right click on network, select open network and sharing center. Click on change adapter settings. Double click on Ethernet. Double click on details. So this is the IP address, that is 43.118 and the default gateway is 43.1. So let's close all this. To connect, click on search and type MSTSC. Double click on it. Enter the IP address. In this case that is 192.168.43.120. The server IP address. Click on connect. Use another account and type the username, that is Chaitanya, and the password. So now it is giving us a certificate error. Just click on view certificate and install the certificate so that from the next time the user will not have to do the same thing again. Click on next, click on next, click on finish, and the certificate was successfully installed. Click OK, click OK, click on yes. Now you can see that we have successfully connected to the Windows Server 2012 R2, which is remotely accessed by user Chaitanya with the remote desktop services from the client Windows 10. Thank you.